Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2016 Toyota 4Runner SR5. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors, roof rails, splash guards, deep tinted privacy glass, and much more. 17-inch 6-spoke alloy wheels, mud and snow tires, auto-off projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps, fog lights, and a strong 6-cylinder 4-wheel drive with only 41,391 miles. The power rear window, a hidden wiper, the tow package, large LED brake lights, a spacious cargo area with a sliding cargo tray, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row adjustable fabric bucket seating. Cruise, AC, a locking glove box, a valet function, outside temp, power outlets, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.